I'm Tony Messer from Pickaweb, and in this video I'm going to explain everything you need to know about web hosting. At the end of this video you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision when you buy a hosting service. Sound like a plan? Great, let's get started. Okay, so the basics. Hosting is the home of your website. If you want a website, you'll need somewhere to host it. That's exactly what web hosting is. Now there are different types of hosting service. You've got shared hosting, reseller hosting, virtual private servers or VPS, and dedicated servers. But we're going to be looking at shared hosting in this video because that's the most popular and affordable type of hosting. So hosting is basically the computer and network infrastructure that keeps your website available across the internet. It also provides other key services like email for you. So how does it all work? Well, it all starts with a server, which is basically a powerful computer which is stored in a highly secure, purpose-built, multi-million-pound facility called a data center. The data center provides the network and power connectivity with temperature control, backup systems, fire suppression, and high levels of physical security. Security is also important at the server level. So the servers are actually built with dual components for critical components, things like hard drives and power supply units. And the reason for this is to make sure that your website is available at all times. So when you order a hosting service, what you're actually purchasing is the physical disk space on the server, as well as the bandwidth, which is the network connection for the server. And you'll often see hosting advertised in terms of disk space and bandwidth. So you might see, for example, 5 gigabytes of disk space and 100 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. So the disk space, that covers your website and all of your files, including key files, things like your emails. And the monthly bandwidth allowance, this is the amount of traffic that comes in and out of your website and your hosting space. So that will usually, most of it will be made up by email traffic in and out, but also things like people visiting your website and when you actually publish your website files. In order to manage your web hosting, you'll need access to a user-friendly interface called a control panel. One of the most popular control panels is called cPanel, and this allows you to manage key areas of your hosting, things like setting up email addresses, managing domains and forwarding, managing databases, that kind of thing. And this shields you basically from any of the sort of technical aspects of the hosting. If you want to build your own website, you can use a tool like Website Builder, which is included, and this basically allows non-technical users to build and maintain a website, and it uses templates, pre-made templates, so you just add your own text and then images and then can publish it. For more advanced users, or maybe you've got a web designer, then there are more advanced tools and applications which are included for free, so you can sort of manage databases and also use other tools to build your website. And these kind of tools, these applications, these include popular content management systems like WordPress, as well as more advanced e-commerce tools like PrestaShop and Magento, so you can start selling online. Other security features are things like anti-spam software and data backup, and these ensure the integrity of your email and your data. If you're with one hosting company and you want to transfer to another hosting company, that's very straightforward. This is a process called migration, and basically your files are copied from your current hosting to your new hosting service. There are just a couple of small changes that need to be made to your domain's name server settings for that process to be fully completed. Okay, so there you have it. That's your quick guide to web hosting. I hope you found that useful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it the big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated whenever we have any new content for you. Also, please feel free to share it with your friends and also anyone who you know who's looking for a hosting service. If you've got any comments, just put them below. I would really appreciate it. I do read them and I will get back to you. Okay, thanks very much for your time then. Bye bye.